So what am I trying to say in essence? The law of this country does not favor the poor. We are also contributing to our problem. Because if I campaign, for example, if I contest, for example, you collect money from my hand. Definitely when I get there, I must definitely work my money back first before I go even work for you.
Now we they decide who want to be governor. Edo not be Lagos. Now we the Benin, the Edolite. Now we talk am. Lagos Street when me are you dey so. Now this governor where they so. Now he do one.
Governor of Lagos State. As Tinubu just threatening now, he fall the push out away. But in Edo State, it can never happen like that. Whether they gather crowd, whether they not gather crowd though, now the one where God don ordain, say now go there, now go there. No matter the threats, no matter all their planning.
Country people, una welcome to Street Zoom for una Ogbonge TV station, DJM TV. The Ogbonge TV station when they always give una Ogbonge news story as it is hot. Today, we did the streets of Benin, when they call Lagos Street, when you come out from Ring Road. Today we get Ogbonge stories. Ogbonge story when we want to talk about the matter when just they shell when they hot so when we want to talk about. One of the matter we want to talk about, maybe the election when they come so when PDP don't talk say Edo not be Lagos and APC can say Edo must be Lagos. We want to get the mind of Edo people concerning this matter. Again, we go still look the way the two parties, APC and PDP, their flag up, how they follow the NCDC guideline to make sure say coronavirus is not spread. We will get the mind of Edo people concerning that one. Then we go look the crowd when the two political parties don't gather as the flag off. Which one many pass? Now by many pass when the flag off campaign, now they determine how election they go for election day. All this one, now we want to ask Edo people to get their mind concerning the matter when we bring for Nassau. I beg, if this one are the first time when you see our news story videos like this, or you don't watch us before, you never subscribe. I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when it be DJM TV, and make you knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue. They get the information and news story anytime we knock and come out. And again, we dey beg, say we want to expand our scope. So nothing is too big, nothing is too small. So I beg, as you dey watch us for your YouTube screen, you go see that bar when get dollar, make you touch there to support us with anything when you get. And again, you get any product or service when you want make country people know, make you call us, make we come help you run up so that they go know the thing when you they sell or the thing when you they do, and your business go seriously well. My name is Stanley Okocha. We want to enter street now, make we get the mind of Edo people concerning the matter when it dey for ground today. Remember, I say one of the questions we go ask to get the mind of Edo people today. Now be say Edo not be Lagos as PDP talker. APC say Edo must be Lagos. How Edo people see that kind of matter. And again, the flag off, the way the two political parties gather people for their flag off, which one follow NCDC guideline? Again, now by gathering people for flag off, now they determine election day. Make we enter street, make we get the mind of the people, make una follow me.
DJM TV.
The mind of Edo people concerning what the PDP talk and APC talk. PDP say Edo not be Lagos. APC say Edo must be Lagos. How you see that kind of matter?
Edo State will be Lagos. Number one, the population for Edo State cannot even reach half of Lagos. More forget saying PDP and APC, they are both rivals. But for Edo State here, the governance for here is just today very self-centered for here. And the people APC they are fighting for their own pocket for here. For Edo State here. They're not people like Showore or people they call Tinubu or all this one because they head Lagos. Before you see like person like Tinubu for Benin here, in all day. Nobody. Because everybody they are fighting for their pocket for here, for Edo State. And wetin I see guys talk, make them make sure say this election they do so, make them do am peaceful and incredible election, make them do am, make them make sure say yeah, because the way me they see am so, and they see am say wetin I see here, they say they deploy some boys come, some terrorist group they deploy they come the states for election issue. So wetin I try to talk, make them do am in a way where we say yes, life, they'll protect the life and property of the states, the citizens. That wetin me see o. And the state where they see, so the state not be only their own, like everybody own. Make them make sure say as they do the election, make them do it peaceful. One man, one vote. Make them not talk now this is an compound, and this is an the head, and they don't be the ruling party. Therefore the ruling party will continue. Make them not do like that. It be free and fair election. And wait till I got to talk, will not be that one so.
Again, you know say the two political parties, APC and PDP, they don't flag off their campaign. You know.
They are aware, yeah.
Now, if you look the way they take gather crowd, I mean PDP and APC, the way they take gather crowd, which one you feel say it follow the NCDC rule, guidelines when it concern to stop spread of coronavirus?
Wait till I was this year, and they talk say social distancing, not more than 20 people in a gathering. But the way we can see the campaign now, more than thousands. So I want to keep to the guidelines for the this is so the peace, the distance, social distancing. So it no go work with that now. So exactly what they will do, make them make sure they provide face mask for all the campees. You get, and all the fans, make them make sure they give them face mask, because without that, the election, you get as it go be. Because you go there, your own polling units, you want vote, you know wear face mask. Nobody go count your votes. Make them do like that. And the campaign of a two where they do so, are not bad idea of where we say they'll go do campaign, fight one or two fights or the other. Are not bad idea. Make them make sure say both parties they come together. Not be saying na do or die, not be do or die. PDP and APC, not be do or die. Other parties, SDP day, DPC day, ANPP day. So all of them day. So make all they look at now only PDP and APC. If another party people come say yes, they head and you win the election, I would even be more grateful, happier than this APC and PDP. Because both of them they are one. You they get. So I know now that me got to talk. So you get.
My last question. Make you nervous.
Yes.
So now by gather people for campaign flag off, then they determine who go win for election day.
Not be by that one.
And then why do they always like to gather people for campaign?
That campaign at the election day, even the day of the election self, the day of the election, who won't win, you go know say who won't win. People, PDP, they feel gather for you now, they say they won't vote for PDP. Before you know, you get the way it go be, before you know, they don't shift entire APC. They don't on that place. So the day of the election, now be the election. Now the day, not be to they do campaign, not the number of persons who they see for campaign, now be the number of people you go see for the day of the vote, the election, not be there. No, so make all the reason until they deceive yourself. Who go win. Now wait till I just guys see talk for that one. Who go win. That's how it be. And anybody who me say yes, he win. May they give her that victory. May the person who lost may accept defeat. Peaceful defeat may accept. So now that me got to talk, may they use those states to compare Lagos states.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you for the time to talk to us.
Thank you.
Enter town today, went to Carlos Street.
Yes.
Now be said the way the PDP don't talk say Edo no fit be Lagos. And APC say Edo must be Lagos. How you see that kind of matter?
Edo can never be Lagos.
Why you talk so?
You know why I talk so? Because during time of governor of Lagos State, as Tinubu just straighten now, he fall the push out away. But in Edo State, it can never happen like that. You understand me? That is why number one, I say Edo can never be Lagos. Because Edo can never mumu. Number one.
Now, the moment where you talk so, what do you use and mean?
You know what I use and mean? Okay. First and foremost, the first say Obaseki. Now get all the qualification when you go to rule Edo State. That is 4 years ago. Then they say PDP e no good. But now that the same man when they say get all the qualities, e don become the man wey no get certificate. Why they come dey turn us up and down? All wetin dey happen, who get sense go know say na dem dey turn us up and down. But for me, nobody can turn me up and down. You understand me? We know all that is going on.
Mommy, you know say the two political parties now, PDP, they don't flag off campaign, they don't start campaign. And the way they take gather crowd, you know say because of coronavirus when it dey happen, NCDC can say make we not dey gather too many people. Now the way they take gather, social distance, the way PDP take gather and the way APC take gather, which one you think say follow the guideline?
PDP follow the guideline because the day when they watch her for television, they don't dey close to each other, they follow distance, social distance. But when I can't watch the PDP for APC for television, the crowd they not follow suit. Yes.
So which one you feel now say it go spread coronavirus out of the two?
Without bito na me want talk social distance e dey for PDP. Social distance e not there for APC. Without bito you yourself not go know say na the one wey gather together na go attract coronavirus.
Okay, mommy, the last question now by gather people for campaign now they mean the way they say they win election.
My brother, that one no for that one no. All I know the day of election I dey go vote my choice. Yes. Whether they gather crowd, whether they not gather crowd though, now the one where God don ordain say na go dey there, na go dey there. No matter the threats, no matter all they are planning, no matter all they are trying to do, but that one where God say yes, now you go dey there, na go dey there.
This evening, 9B. Can Edo be Lagos? Because PDP don't talk say Edo must not be Lagos, and APC say Edo must be Lagos. How? If you ask me, Obaseki one tenure. If it happen like that, we dey try to get the mind of Edo people. And again, NCDC guideline on COVID-19 spread. NCDC say make we not dey gather too many people and make we dey observe social distancing. The two parties don't flag off. Which one observe that guideline? Which one break the guideline? And again, gathering people for campaign, now they determine how election go. Edo people won't give us their mind. Now, the political situation for Edo State now, between the two political parties, PDP say Edo must not be Lagos. APC say they want to make Edo Lagos. Based on what happened for Lagos, so they want to make it happen for Edo. How you see am?
That is why I tell you say I no be politician. So I no want talk anything wey go. They say I tell because I say I dey vex, I too dey vex. I say this one small thing na go vex me. So me no be politician, and all those politicians, their children, all of them die abroad. When this thing wan happen, they go abroad to where their children come dey here, they suffer for them, and they no dey even come tell you say thank you. Ordinary thank you. They no go even see them say thank you for what you can't do for me. So I no be politician. No one talk anything during that one.
Okay, but Daddy, you go vote on election day.
Yeah, I go vote now.
You get your PVC ready.
I got everything.
And you don't get your choice.
Yeah, I got my choice.
Thank you, Daddy, for the time to talk to us. Now, but when the colors come out this evening, someone can't get to the mind for. Maybe as the two political parties don't talk, PDP say Edo no fit be Lagos. APC say Edo go be Lagos based on what happened for Lagos last year. So they want to make it repeat itself for Edo. How you see that kind of thing?
Now normal, Edo no fit be Lagos now. Because one person fit dey rule Edo now. Normal level as governor ruled for 4 years, later finishing tenure now. Because some people say you be national chairman, they come out for them because they disturb Edo. Edo not be Lagos, that's not truth. Yes, not be Lagos.
Okay, another question I want to ask now. Maybe this one. It go concern coronavirus. You know, say NCDC tell us, say to stop the spread of coronavirus, make we they do social distancing. But not they gather people. The two political parties don't flag off campaign. PDP flag off, APC still flag off. Now, I believe that you watch them. Which one you feel say it break the law when NCDC put for ground?
Oga, to show you to say normal level, you supposed to say coronavirus something in Nigeria.
I not be NCDC. NCDC. Now talk as what they do. I not be NCDC.
I know now. That's the two things they do. So it should say coronavirus something in Nigeria. Because if he did, they only do those kind of things now. Yes, on normal level now.
What are the people call they die for coronavirus?
Oh God, they not fit go abroad, go check their stomach because they die. No coronavirus they should kill them, no. No, we they kill them. Yes, now.
Okay, I go say ask you one question. Now to gather crowd for campaign, to flag off campaign, now they determine who go win election.
Okay, normal level, who want win election, everybody don't know that one. Not be waiting they gather crowd again now. Yes, now.
So you don't know who want win election?
We don't know now.
You know, Nick?
Everybody knows they don't know one winner now. Not waiting they say the one.
Okay, tell me who one winner.
No worry, last. Whether they reach, you go know.
But you get people. So, we come out this evening, we can't get the mind of people when it did this our state concerning matter when they happen as election they come. So number one question when they ask this evening, PDP say Edo no fit be Lagos. APC say Edo go be Lagos. Based on what happened for Lagos last year, when the governor only rule one tenure. How na see that kind of matter?
Na APC. APC they try sha. You understand? Based on my own experience, so people they insult Buhari, but for me, Buhari has never been our problem. Yes. So the problem we get is based on say we ourselves being individuals. You understand? We not even help ourselves. You understand? For me, APC they try to pass PDP because if you can understand how many years based on APC don't be in seat, PDP don't be in seat. You understand me? Now watch APC. You understand? They just legal all the whole accusations and everything. They put them on top of a Buhari based on and the same they make the man. Then you understand me? So I know they any party. I don't get any party. I know be APC. I know be PDP. I be man on my own. No, they have me so. So I don't be politician. I be businessman. See what they say? So yeah, I be businessman. No. So make them just go keep themselves outside.
Okay, but come back to Edo now. Edo, no, come Edo. I know, but I know you there so. Yeah. You there Edo land. If you better, if Edo dey peaceful, now you go fit do business. So. Yeah. Now, PDP say Edo no fit be Lagos.
Yes.
APC say Edo go be Lagos. Based on wetin happen when they take remove the former governor for Lagos, they want done for Edo. How you see that kind of thing? Now we dey talk so.
Okay, for me, PDP and for me, trust me, APC they will try for Edo. I think say with APC, Edo no fit become like Lagos. They can Edo will never be like Lagos. But at least they will try a little bit. You understand me? But maybe more 10 years coming. Now they go like try pursue Lagos more, but they don't feel be like Lagos.
Some say those people when they die, so they pay them all. How true it is? Me when they talk to them, I don't know. But make I tell you now, every opinion when anybody give for this TV station for this program, now their own personal opinion, not be the opinion of the TV station. Some say I don't know if it be Lagos. Some say they go like make it be Lagos. Now their opinion. Everybody get right to your own opinion. Now street soon we still there. And with the Lagos street when you come out and from Ring Road, more people they willing to give their mind.
I hope I'm safe. Oh.
You are safe. You are safe. You talk what you want to.
But the truth. Okay, what was the question we're trying to ask? Let's go ahead.
Now my question is, APC say they want make Edo Lagos. Like what happen for Lagos, make it happen for Edo.
Okay.
PDP say lie. I don't know if it be Lagos. How you see that kind of matter?
Well, actually, I don't know be Lagos. So Edo is not Lagos. But if the APC can assure us that within the next 4 years, they'll be able to deliver and give Edo Light what they want, then we don't have problem. But if they are not able, I think they should better give it to the other party. Because I, for one, I'm not party. I don't have party sentiment. Whoever that is coming to deliver to the state, that is what I'm after. I can say that. So we rather vote for personality. Anybody that is, we better vote for personality instead of, the party itself. Because we are looking for credible leaders in those states. We haven't found anyone. And we just pray that this next election, they'll be able to give us ones. give us a credible leader. I get what I'm saying. And that's what I'm saying.
Okay, sir. Like this NCDC.
NCDC. Which one is
NCDC? Nigeria Center for Disease Control. When he talks about Corona Day Niger, so therefore, make we not do gather people. Make we do social distancing. And the two political parties come flag off campaign. They come gather people. I believe say you watch out. Which of them you believe say you observe the rule when NCDC give?
But the fact is that they made us to believe that there is coronavirus. But I, for one, right from the onset, if you look at the whole scenario, there's no disease that has not been in this world. I felt this disease they are calling corona has been existing for a long time, and it's possible it's cholera they change to corona.
What should be cholera? Cholera. But cholera get different spelling from corona.
But the spelling doesn't matter. It's people. Some people told us they named it coronavirus, and it's possible it's also it might just be a bacterial kind of disease.
It's not a virus.
Okay, if they say it's virus, well, the fact is that is it that all virus kills?
It may not be doctor.
So if all virus doesn't kill, or maybe our climate is not susceptible to it.
But now, which of the two parties now follow that rule when NCDC put for ground? Second, say social distancing as they gather people.
Okay. Which party said talk of social distancing? Is it the APC?
And which one you see say observer?
The two political parties. But I think the one in government should observe it better than the one that's not in the government. APC is the one that is government. So they have the policy and they can also key into the politics. And so they are the one telling us what is happening and not the PDP that is not in government. That's where I say it.
And now my final question. Now by to gather crowd for campaign, now they mean who go win election?
No, certainly not. Because people can be bought over and they can be stage managed and ask them to come, and they give them stipends at their own detriment anyway. If you are giving stipends for people to come for crowd, at the end of the day you enter there and not be able to deliver, it's all rubbish. So that is there I see it.
Okay, thank you for the time to talk to us. But you get PVC, Sha?
PVC? Why?
And you go vote for election day?
Why not? It's a civic responsibility. I must exercise my franchise. I must exercise my franchise. I must do that as a citizen of Nigeria.
Sure. Okay, thank you for the time to talk to us. God bless you. My first question. PDP say, I don't know if it be Lagos. APC say, they want to make Edo Lagos. Sake of say, waiting up for Lagos last year. For Lagos. How you see that matter?
My brother, thank you for this question when you ask me. That matter say Edo not be Lagos. Not true. Now all of us, now we support them for this state. Lagos state, now one man they decide say she who want be governor. When the man talking, all Lagosians go support her. No. But for Benin, for Edo state here, now the masses, now we they decide who want to be governor of Edo state. Come September 19, now we they decide now. Now we they decide who want to be governor. Edo not be Lagos. Now we the Benin, the Edolite, now we talk them.
Okay, I believe that you watch the campaign of the two political parties, PDP and as the flag of their campaign, you watch them for television.
Yes.
Now, which of them you feel say you follow NCDC guideline as they talk say make they do social distancing when we gather people?
My brother, without being told, now PDP now. Now Governor Obaseki. When you go stadium that day, like me, I not go. I watch them for my office. And they see when the MC they announce say keep social distance, keep social distance. They talk. Even governor himself, all of the day there. They know they get handshake. At least one person will sit down for one seat. They will give space. They will sit down. But for the one the rally when we see for Unibe yesterday for All Progressive Congress, my brother, they lap each other. They embrace each other. In fact, the rally when APC do, in fact, it is so disappointing. Up till now, I see they follow news, make NCDC or federal government make it invite their national chairman, be their critical chairman. They will suppose arrest him because you don't break a COVID-19 rule. NCDC, you don't break them. The campaign when they do, when PDP do their own for stadium, my brother, can't see. In fact, I reserve my.
Okay, wait till you not PDP.
My brother, as you see me so, I not be politician. I not belong to any political party. I believe on good governance. Now the person where they rule, person where lead, where rule where. When we see the infrastructure what we need for Edo State, like this road where we see so Lagos Street, my brother, if you come here 8 years ago, you know if you pass here. I have the pictures on my phone. When this man, Governor Obaseki, when he be governor, after a year, I snap Lagos Street. I put out for picture, say, Governor Obaseki, what are you doing in office? My brother, believe me, after 6 months, if you are following me on my page, Richard Modio Ologbo said, you will see it, you will see the picture. Immediately, the state government awarded this road, as you can see now. They see by yourself now. I don't want to talk area I went far. Lagos Street, when me and you did so. Now this governor went this so. Now he do one. Person don't fair promise us 8 years. My brother, I know the campaign for anybody. Person don't promise us 8 years. Say he will do this road. My brother, I will not see him. When they do coronation, when our Oba Ogidigan Oba talk by him, when he pass here, my brother, no road. Now it's a poto. Now they pass. Now this current administration, now he do one for us. We they happy. If you say allow me they talk, this man went there with me, so now yeah they answer. So that is why we are supporting him. Oga, with the talker again, don't not be Lagos, so who know here, make here, now we they decide who want to rule us.
Okay, one question again. Now, but to gather people for campaign, now they mean who go win election for election day.
Oga, na lie you.
Why you talk so?
Those crowd when you they see so, now mobilization. Oga, follow me, go rally. I'll give you 5,000. I'll give you 2,000. I'll give you 3,000. Men will come out. I said, so if I need 1,000 men right away with 5,000 naira, Oga, I go see the boku. But now that day, that ballot paper where they want to give us, you will knock them, you will fold them, put them inside. If we don't say they give us money, we will chop them. If they give us money, we will chop them.
But they say you don't sell your vote.
I don't sell vote. I don't.
You they call us, you call them money. Okay. Not you don't sell them.
No, if they give us money, chop them. Vote for your choice.
No your money.
I don't know be Lagos.
No your money.
Oga, I don't know be Lagos.
Oga, no your money.
Now we they decide.
Why you go chop them? Thank you, Oga, for talk to us.
Thank you.
Oga, sir.
Thank you very much, my brother. Yes.
Now, how you see this matter, so?
The matter when we did so. Do not be Lagos.
Why you talk so?
Do is different from Lagos. Lagos is from different tribes. This ancient city of Benin is different from Lagos. So we have unity here. This is not a place that other tribes from other people from the other workers say there that one person will just come out and say is the person who will control everybody. This is our own state. So nobody can control us. What we have in the mind, we are Edo people, Edo-IYAMU, and what we say is going to be possible. My junior brother already said everything. You see this road, more than 10 years we are not seeing any good road in this area. More than many other places. You see Ogbamudia abandoned building when it was abandoned. But the present government, they finish up. So what we want is that we want the present government to finish all the abandoned projects. So somebody is coming. I'm not campaigning for anybody. Somebody is coming now. If he coming, we abandon all the old projects. We don't want it. Continuity is what we want. I'm not belonging to any party. That is what I want to say. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Baba. But see, since they do this road now, how your markets can be? Because
very well. I'm enjoying it too. I'm enjoying it. If you see this road before, you cannot pass it. It is full of market direct to that place. When the man bring all these contractors to come and do it, we will even say it will not be possible. But gradually, from here to the Yaro, you have done it. Right from here to the Yaro, you have finished off the whole job. Nothing remains. But we are inside the darkness for more than 10 years. Right from Osumbo, nobody listens to this place. Nobody, no other government. But we voted for all of them. But when this man came, he did everything for us. And all those adjoining streets, he finished everything. No, the man is not making any noise. He's not making any. He said it, he do it. So I'm not supporting maybe it's a different party. What I'm saying that it's a wait and see governor. If he say we do it, we do it.
That wait and see when you talk now. What do you mean?
If when you see, let me explain what wait and see mean. Say if you wake up, you see where. If you say what go they go on. If you wake up, you say what go. That day they go retire. They go not be wait and see. Yeah, not be wait and see governor.
Thank you, Baba. Okay. Thank you, Baba, for the time you talk to us.
Thank you very much.
President Daddy, you still get what you want to talk?
Yeah, no.
I'm very happy. You know, when you are a head, another small people called deceive you. Can't that this one? That's why this campaign that they do so. They say, no, our person not go, no, go. You won. Now go to talk. You won't be the head. You the small people called deceive you to go under party. Is that good? I'm very happy. Because we don't see everything. One man told for television that day, he said, no, said the quarrel, if we quarrel, Obaseki and Oshiomhonle made a sort of their matter. No contact to spread this. Oh, our governor complete 8 years to complete to do all the work when he did. Other people enter, you will be head. You go join other people, small people can't deceive you. That is, don't deceive. I'm a particular giver. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
I'm happy. That day, our governor will still continue.
Thank you, Baba. Mama.
4+4.
Okay.
Talk back. 4+4. Talk back.
Mama, you say 4+4 talk back. What did that 4+4 talk back mean?
4+4. That is 8 years. Obaseki 8 years. Talk back.
But now when the be say the opposition they talk say it must be Lagos. Wakana.
I don't know be Lagos. I don't know Edo State. 4+4. Ogba.
Do what for the time to talk to us.
Not tell me. God will help you now.
Yes, sir. We see that the street. Now street Zoom be the program for DJMTV. We did the street today and the street that we did today now be Lagos street when you cut out. Why you say I don't know if it be Lagos?
Huh?
Why you say I don't know if
it not be Lagos now. Lagos dey on your own. I don't dey on your own now.
But what did happen for Lagos so last year 2019? They say what happen again?
It not fit happen here. If it happen for Lagos, not fit happen here.
How now want to stop am now?
We go stop am.
How?
Because of the 4+4 talk banning. Our vote now, massive vote, now go stop them.
You get PVC?
I get to. May I show you?
Show me.
May I go bring a conference and stop?
Go bring her.
May I go bring her?
Go bring her. No go. Go. Come on. Come on. Okay, come. Wait. Mona, wait. The one that they say 4+4, the thing they make me the fear.
Don't different from other countries, other places. Yes.
These are guys serious. He said we don't pick the PPC. Lagos.
Man will be like flop.
Okay, I beg you.
See, that day we dey make flop.
You see him?
Yes.
You see him?
Not be there.
He not there yet.
The market PVC.
See him.
Now this one be your power.
Now my power.
Okay, now this one make it the same talk
as I vote finish, I go defend my vote. Yes, so.
Okay, I fear you.
Why you fear me now?
Thank you for the time to talk to me.
I'm how you be.
I'm wrong.
I agree to you. My old days last store.
Okay, what else, sir? I say you the smile they come.
You say?
I see you the smile they come. So I say this man make I see some question. We there for street this evening. The reason why we did the street, we try to get Edo people mind concerning some issues as election they come. The first one, PDP say, I don't know if it be Lagos. APC say, I don't go be Lagos. Sake of what happened for Lagos last year, when they stopped the governor for that side for only 4 years. How you see that kind of thing? If it happen for Edo, you know if it happen, why you say so?
It can happen because then themselves, they no be God. You understand? The only thing when I go talk here, now only God know who go put that seat. You understand? For me, for my own mind, the two of them know what to do that seat.
Why you talking?
The two of them know what to
Because you say for your own mind.
Listen, make I tell you. You know when I don't begin to vote, they come. You know when I don't see all these promises. Look me, how old am I now?
You don't go far.
I don't start politics. I don't start politics when I did 16 years. You remember when they share 10 naira they give us that time.
Maybe they don't want to vote by a day.
Leave them. You know, we will not get leaders in this country. We will not get leaders. Our leader don't fail us. You understand? Those who they convert, they follow them up and down. This one, this and this. They're just wasting their time. We don't look this place now. Other government go come, go see convert for this place. Now so go do them. Now so go bring good water. Now so go do like this. We are just wasting our time. You understand?
So now what do you feel say government supposed to do? Since you say that they use this one they campaign like gutter, road, water to the campaign. What do you feel say they're supposed to use? What do you feel say they're supposed to use?
By now, Nigeria not supposed to improve past like this. You understand? We're supposed to do improve past like this. Go to some African country. We know the campaign concerning water, they need the campaign concerning water, gutter. You understand? They don't pass us. In short, they don't pass us. They call ourselves giant of Africa. You understand? We'll be ant of Africa.
Serious?
Yes.
But my country is not giant of Africa.
No, we are ant of Africa.
How you going to say we'll be ant of Africa?
Because we get bad leaders.
Bad leaders now. Don't let me say our country can be ants now. How can you correct aware?
We are ants. We get bad leaders. You understand? The bad leaders are starting from me, myself, starting from our home. You understand? Tomorrow now you go see the ones when they don't follow them, they give them, when they go polling, they'll give them 30,000. They'll vote their conscience out. You understand?
That's not vote buying. But you talk say
the two government, the two strong political parties that they do them.
But you say that you did 16 years.
For me, if I want to advise government, there's maybe they need to do 8 years, 6 years you rule, you get out.
6 years.
You rule your 6 years, you get out. That 8 years now for they do problem, they cause fight. 6 years, rule your own. Straight 6 years, rule and go.
Okay, now I'm asking you this last question. Okay. Now, but to gather people for campaign, then they tell who go win for election day.
For where? I want to gather people for campaign. The two of them, nobody, no God. In short, if I were God, I would just, in short, I don't know. The two of them know what to do there. Yes, so yes, let God put somebody there.
But now, you want to vote that day now?
Me, vote for.
You not go vote.
You know when I don't vote, they come.
If you don't first, you not go vote again.
Forget these people.
If you not vote again, now
your vote and my vote is not counting.
Okay.
I did tell you.
My
vote and my vote is not counting. I did tell you the truth.
Not the count.
For me, if you want to ask me, they should try another person, not this one again. Yes. For me, you try other.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for the time we talk to Russell. But what do you talk? The thing with me, oh. He said our vote not the count again. He said not be road, not be gutter, not be water. We're supposed to take the campaign by this time. So we're supposed to reduce other things, better things to the campaign. He said don't they vote. He done the vote since 16 years ago. And they don't share money that time, 10 naira. So vote buying, don't they? Hey, now wow, Matadeo.
If somebody is coming out and saying you want to come and fight.
Oh, don't worry, calm down. I dey come. Come, relax. I go give you time, you go talk. What is this guy just tell me now? Weaken me. You think weak me where? Beat me hollow. You think beat me hollow? You say you no go even vote. Okay, I beg you go vote.
If you vote for me, I will give you good road, good water, good daddy, good hospital.
Okay, I beg you go vote.
Since when?
I beg go. Let the up there.
Okay. Yes, September 19.
Yeah, you know I'm bam. Now, PDP say Edo no fit be Lagos. APC say Edo go be Lagos. Second say what happen when they take stop the governor of Lagos State that time when he not take go for second term. Now we mean how you see that matter?
According to what you have just said. Okay. From what you don't talk now, Edo no fit be Lagos. It is clear because Edo na Edo, Lagos na Edo, Lagos na Lagos. You should ask yourself, say, wetin make them disqualify a Lagos State governor from coming from the second term. Now sake of say because the man no gree for waiting the talk. If you dey cheat me, I dey cheat you. If you dey cheat me, I keep quiet and no talk. The cheating will continue and quarrel no go come. The day when you say, my brother, you don't cheat me, this cheat you don't do, now that the quarrel go start. 2016, me and you know say for this state, now somebody now canvas for somebody from nowhere. Say now him be the Messiah when he go take over him. You understand so? So now, suddenly now you can't tell us say the Messiah when you bring, no be Messiah again, say he no fit come for second term. There's something is behind it. I want to use this medium to urge Mr. President. Make him first of all look into this matter when they go on for Edo State so. Because 2016, I believe say average Edo citizen no like Godwin Obaseki when they bring annually. But somebody impose on or not say he go do better pass waiting. This governor go do better pass him. You get level so. So you coming back suddenly now gonna tell us say this person no good again. Something is behind it. There's interior motive. You get level so.
But wait, you say somebody promise say somebody go do better pass him.
Yes.
Now that somebody when he promise say go do better pass him, he really don't do better pass him now.
Okay.
Let me the question me they ask you.
Me and
he do better pass him
yes.
or not do reach him?
To some extent, the person do better person because you cannot satisfy human being. That's why for economy they say human want and insatiable. You get level so one person no go do all the problem wey dey those states for 8 years. You know they possible. Even 100 years to come, problem go see this state. So for me, at least out of 100%, the person wey dey now, I go score 89%. He don't try. That one a pass mark. You get level so you when be like say you know say yes this state 10 people go come they know if you do the problem when this state finish. To some extent the man don't try. He don't do better person. Look at our stadium. Look at Oshiomhonle power plant. Is it the roads? Before now 80 years woman go they sell something for Lagos Street. Agbero go slap and give me money. All those ones no dey again. What are we fighting this governor for? Allow him to spend the 8 years. This same person when they canvass, so this same person spend 8 years. Then nobody tell us say, Oga, you must come out. You get level so sometimes people are just heartless. You understand? Or you both they call and say inhumanity to mankind. This is what is going on. It is called inhumanity to mankind. You cannot come at the okay. What did they try tell me now? Be say with the electorate now our vote no they can't again. Now you suppose they impose somebody on us. Now we go tell you say now this person that we want. You don't get the level so you should not come and dictate for us because not be you only you want vote. You don't get the level so you are just elite you out of the majority of Edo citizens. You don't get the level so me go vote, you go vote. So at the end of the day, now we instead no they suffer, now we when they suffer, who we are showing anywhere for the pay now. You don't get the level so make it not just come and impose one man, not say either if not be this one, then no governor. For what? For what? So that's why they tell you say Mr. President making shiny eye. You understand? So now we the suffer and not be him. Now we go say okay, this governor you go continue or you no go continue. So I don't see any reason why somebody will just come and be dictating for us. For waiting now, you not God. They get also. So let's tell ourselves the truth. Make we tell ourselves the truth. Make we allow this governor spend the 8 years, make come more jejeje.
Okay, okay, my next question now. Coronavirus.
I think in Abuja, BITV, when they say some persons come outside, they protest, say we need good governance. Some people send DSS, they send soldiers, they send police, make you arrest them. But now, they say because they violate NCDC law. But now, politicians, they canvass. They elect. Thousands of people, they gather for one place. NCDC no sit down, they no validate that kind of law. So what am I trying to say in essence? The law of this country does not favor the poor.
So what do you going to do now to make the law favor the poor?
What do you going to do now be say, if the leaders are truthful to themselves, if they are truthful to themselves, they should know that yes, what they are doing is not good. And we call it knowing and doing. Yes. I know say wetin I dey talk so no good but make I just talk out so that make they obey the law. Okay, just imagine now. You say coronavirus day. I go tell you now say plane don't start to the work. I been a markets don't open. Churches don't open. Yes, schools still they close. And tomorrow you will not tell me.
School don't open today.
Not everybody open. Not be today open. Now today place start to the work. Now today church open. Now today market open. Even this SS3 when you talk about because they know say yes, they no get choice again because the children must do their exam. now make the contemplate okay, make GSS3 and SS3 win one right for the exam, make them open. Now so schools supposed to be. That's why they say sometimes the youth when they say they be the leaders of tomorrow, we know if we become the leaders of tomorrow until God decide to take away our bad leaders. You don't get this scenario until God decide to take our bad leaders. Me, I'm a graduate. I study mass communication. But what they do? You go find job, you know, go see. If you don't have anybody upstairs, nothing for you. Their children go there 26 years old. They don't already create space for them when they go occupy for this country. Who is deceiving who?
Matade. He beats me. Hello. What did the Oga don't talk? Now your opinion. Everybody get right to your opinion. It's our constitution. Gather people for campaign, now they determine who go win election.
At all.
So why be say they come gather people to the campaign now?
You know, say if person won't do bad thing, he go to find a venue to take say this thing not be bad thing and right thing. I feel be aspirants, thousands of persons go come outside for my campaign, but the election day, I feel no see up to 100. As a matter of fact, not be the 1,000 people who gather for your campaign, not be all of them get voters card. Oh yes.
You say not everybody get voters card for campaign.
Some of them did that campaign and they get voters card. Some persons don't even lose their voters card 20 years ago. Some said no even know where they keep their voters card. Even when some get that very day, September 19, some go they fear they no go vote. So it's not by you gathering card. You dey get levels so and those ones wey dey sincere and moreover some persons sef go say okay if they no give me money I no go vote. Indirectly we are also contributing to our problem because if I dey campaign for example, if I dey contest for example, you collect money from my hand, definitely when I get there I must definitely work my money back first before I go even work for you. You dey get levels so that's why sometimes these our leaders just dey look us say because we no know wetin we dey do. How can you collect 4,000 naira to enslave yourself for 4 years?
That's 1,000 naira per year.
Yes, now 1,000 per year.
How you take calculator?
But that's not my issue now. They spend 4 years for 4,000 naira. They give you 4,000 naira. 1 year, 1,000 naira in slavery. They will slave you for 1 year. If you collect 4K, that means say you go there under slavery for 4 years. So why will you collect money because you want to vote for somebody? That is why sometimes the leaders are not doing anything. Because the money when they take fund their campaign, they must get them back first. Nobody wants trade market making lose now. I be not be so. So what are we not saying?
You do well, my brother. We there for center of Benin when it be ring road. We want to get Edo people mind concerning the matter when we carry come today. When it be Edo fit the Lagos or Edo not fit the Lagos. Coronavirus. Which of the two political parties don't break the rule concerning the guideline where NCDC give? Now to gather crowd for campaign, now they tell who go win for election day. We want to ask the people, make them give us their mind. Okay. Obaseki, IZE-IYAMU, PDP, APC. PDP say, Edo no fit be Lagos. APC say, Edo go be Lagos. Sake of say wetin happen last year for Lagos State when Governor Ambode no go for second tenure. How you see that matter?
Okay, well, to me.
Scatter pidgin English, now pidgin English.
Okay. Well, to me, Edo can never be Lagos.
Why you talk so?
Because Edo pattern of politics is different from that of Lagos. So Lagos State now one-sided politics. So Edo people know the truth. Edo people, they know government where they work. They see no government where they work. From antecedent, so they can tell the difference between the government where we get today and the government where we get before. So Edo people, if you fool them. Edo people don't be children, they don't be small people. You give them white and you call it white. Then tomorrow you see give them that same color, then you call them black. So Edo can never be Lagos.
Okay, now coronavirus. We all know say NCDC say when you gather people, make you they do social distancing. The two political parties don't flag off campaign. You don't watch them, Abi. Now, which of them you don't see when it break the guidelines concerning social distance when NCDC put for ground?
That is APC.
Now you feel so?
Yes, the APC because If you check their campaign for that Universe Sports Complex, there was nothing like social distancing. The PDP, all of them, they filter their the people where they go carry go stadium, not be all. So if you check on social distancing, it they but for what happened for Universe Complex, there was nothing like social distancing. Everybody just gathered just as the way people gather here. So that was exactly what happened. There was nothing like social distancing because it was not well organized.
So now to gather crowd, then they tell who go win election for election day.
Not be just to gather crowd because the modern politics not be all about gathering crowd. Now all about waiting you get for mind. You feel gather crowd, you feel buy crowd, you feel go hire people because of the money where you want to give them. They feel deal with you. But at the end of the day, during that day of vote, they feel go vote for another person. So it's not all about crowd. It's all about who they believe say go feel work and go feel deliver for them. Now be the thing. This campaign where they get these days in most cases now all about higher crowd. So that is not really one of the criteria to say whether this person will win election or not.
But you get PVC, sha?
Yes.
And you go vote on election day?
Yes.
You know, say election don't they come, sir?
Yeah.
And PDP say Edo can never be Lagos.
Why?
Edo can never be Lagos. APC say Edo go be Lagos. Second of what happened to Governor Abonde that time. How you see that kind of matter?
To me, if Edo be like Lagos, we will be happy. Because why? If Edo be like Lagos, we will be very, very happy.
Why? I don't want to be like Lagos. By stopping a sitting governor from completing 8 years.
Why I say so is that what we are seeing or grant, I don't believe with this, with development aspect of it, we will be like Lagos. That's why I say if Edo be like Lagos, we will be very, very happy. You understand me? That is it. So for them to say Edo cannot be like Lagos, to me, for political aspect, it's a lie. That is lie. Edo can be like Lagos. And when Edo be like Lagos, we will be very, very happy because Lagos is far better than Edo. You understand me? So that is that.
Now, you say Edo can be like Lagos.
Yes.
In terms of development. Now, would they look at from the political parts angle? That would be the question.
Yeah.
The political angle.
Yeah.
Second, say PDP say Edo can never be Lagos. While APC say Edo can be Lagos.
Can be like Lagos.
Politically. When it be said they stop the governor that time from contesting for second term.
Yes.
So now be the question we ask.
Yes.
So now you they talk now say Edo go be like Lagos.
It can be like Lagos for political aspect with development. Do you understand me? That's what
okay. Now, my next question: coronavirus. NCDC say not gather people except you give them social distance.
Yeah.
The two political parties flag off election.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we can't say they gather people. Which of them you feel say don't break that law? When NCDC talk say, we will not gather people without social distance.
Both of them break the law.
Both of them?
Yeah.
How?
Because I live in First Secular. The day Obaseki came there, the crowd I saw that day, sure, I cannot believe it. I don't understand. Even in governor, nowhere to pull leg. They were dragging, and even the place was so tight. So both of them break the law. That is the truth. Both of them break the law. I don't understand.
Okay, now now my other question. Now to gather crowd, now they determine who go win election day?
No.
How? Why?
No. So the crowd, to me, I believe those that went there, they are supporters. So they went there, all the name of I'm supporting this, I'm supporting that. But to be frank, that is not the way to win the election properly. Without going there, individual can still go to the field and vote for whoever he wants. So, and a winner will be declared.
Okay, you know if you say to gather crowd for campaign, when crowd really day, show say now you they get upper hand.
And on the other side, I think he show advantage. I don't understand. But because we believe when you see crowd, we believe this man have crowd, he have the population, he have the, you know, so we believe he can win the election. That is just that for the other side. So that's what I say.
Okay, thank you for the time to talk to us. Say PDP say Edo no fit be Lagos. Why APC say Edo? No, well, I don't be the first. Now make you sit down here since so. Abi? So PDP say Edo no fit be Lagos. While APC say Edo go be Lagos. How you see that kind of matter?
Do I know? I don't know. No, I said that makes sense, but no fear. No fear, I did like that. Video me, no worry. I swear to now.
Edo fit be Lagos or Edo not fit be Lagos?
Edo fit be Lagos now if they do well.
If they do well.
Yes now.
So how?
Like most musicians for this those states, they try, but nobody to improve their up. The way Lagos musicians they try well. Definitely, if you look most musicians way blown up from here, the table enter there. How do you understand?
What do they look? They look the politics side.
Politics, I know the agriculture for that one.
Okay. Now the second one now when I want to ask you, Nambi, this one will be say PDP don't flag off their campaign, APC flag off campaign, and we see the crowd when PDP gather for their campaign. We also see the crowd when APC gather for their campaign. Which one you believe say it follow NCDC guideline to take stop coronavirus?
Which one will stop coronavirus?
Which of the gathering? You feel say that they do it the way NCDC talk to make sure say coronavirus not spread.
Now APC. That guy's not PDP. I don't like the guy. I change up. I don't like the guy. Yes, now you know me. Why go copy it? Now PDP maybe. But what did that guy talk? Now APC now. Yes.
Okay. Gathering of people for campaign. If they miss another party when they get the highest crowd for campaign and they win election.
No.
Why you feel so?
Most times they do that kind of thing and sometimes you feel ring bell. Some people they do ojoro for a side. Say that we will do this campaign well. One person must win. Now say it just be the right person or give the right person. So far they don't do ojoro. So like me now, so now they video me like this now. I know if you talk one way, I don't know one way. Cause my name, my face must show for tell you. I know if it's Allah. I say it just be.
Country people. Now yeah, we want draw cutting for our program today, Street Zoom. Since we don't there for Lagos Street, when you come out and from Ring Road, when the center of Benin City, we don't get the mind of Benin people concerning the matter when we carry come out today. The matter when we carry come out today, number one, Edo fit be Lagos. Second say, PDP say Edo no fit be Lagos. APC say they want make Edo Lagos. Second say, what did happen for Lagos last year when it be said the former governor of Lagos State, Governor Ambode, they allow him do only 4 years, one tenure. They not allow him for second tenure. So APC say they want to repeat him for Edo State. Edo people say they not agree. That's their opinion. Again, we still ask NCDC guideline when it concern coronavirus, stopping of the spread. The two parties, as they start campaign, which one of the observers Edo Post talk their mind? Then we can still ask again. Gathering people for campaign, then they determine who go win election. Edo Post talk their mind concerning that one. Country people, I beg, if this is not the first time when you say they watch our news videos like this, our news story videos, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you say you don't watch us all this time, we thank you for the support. We thank you for all the view when you don't view us. But we beg you make you subscribe and make you knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ongoing news videos anytime we knock them hot as it happen. Again, if you get products or they render service when you want me people know about, make you green us, call us make we come do am for you so that people go know wetin you dey sell or wetin you dey do. Again, we see the beg for support because we wan expand our scope now. We wan begin cover the whole of Nigeria and even the whole of Africa with una support. So I beg as you dey watch us so, make you knack your hand for the dollar bar when dey your screen as you dey watch us for YouTube. Make you support us. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Until next time, we go come on our way again with straight zoom with another matter to take get Edo people mind. We dey tell una, make una remain blessed. See you next time. Una bye bye.
DJ ATV.